If you listen closely, you can hear the sounds of the gospel in the village of Hoyvik. Fríkirkjan Oasan holds services every Sunday morning at 11 to praise the Word of God and can be listened to at oasan.fo. Sunday school is held at noon, where children play games and study lessons from the good book. In addition to a dance group and choir, the youth meets every Thursday evening at 8, coming together for worship, prayer, and fellowship. Kids from the 6th grade and up meet at 8 p.m. every Friday evening as part of After 8, beginning with refreshments, followed by teaching, and finishing with fun and games. Cell groups meet regularly to exchange ideas and foster a positive social presence in the community. Oasan also supports missionaries across Vietnam and China. Everyone is welcome at Oasan, where the door is always open.